Well, after more than a week-long delay due to COVID concerns and the Thanksgiving holiday, the trial of 3 Tacoma police officers accused of causing the death of Manny Ellis is back in session, and it's their attorney's turn to put witnesses on the stand.
Their witness list numbers more than 100 names, though the judge in the case stating his goal to bring the trial to a close sometime next month. Fox 13 News reporter A.J. Janival tells us testimony today continued to focus on the officers' claim they did nothing wrong that night.
For weeks of courtroom testimony, we have seen this video of Tacoma police officers Christopher Burbank and Matthew Collins struggling with Manny Ellis. We've heard dozens of experts debating on these seconds of footage. On Monday, use of force expert Chris Nielsen stated Burbank and Collins did nothing wrong.
With very little effort, or seemingly little effort, Mr. Ellis was able to pick him up and kind of drive him back and throw him on the ground. And so now at that point, that's a pretty, from the officer's perspective, that's a pretty frightening occurrence.
Nielsen says the officer's use of force in this situation was needed.
You see the officers transitioning between force options, none of which had worked. Right, and so now you're starting to scale up.
During the prosecution's cross-examination, they focused on Nielsen's qualifications for making these determinations.
You're not published in any areas regarding use of force?
Correct.
And you also haven't conducted any research on use of force that's been published?
Also correct.
The prosecution also questioned if there's any bias due to Nielsen being a member of local law enforcement with Renton Police.
You're also on the Lethal Force Review Board for the Renton PD?
That's correct.
And those cases have all been shooting cases?
Yes.
And?
Yes. Yeah.
And you found in favor of the officer in all of those cases?
Yes. In all fairness, there weren't many, but that's true.
Reporting in Pierce County, A.J. Janival, Fox 13 News.